So, if you want to use Jamboard for your classes, I'll show you how you can use it and how to make sample Jamboard activities. The first thing you have to do is go to Google. Now, inside of Google, you have this little waffle mark here, and that has all of your apps. Now, I have Jamboard right up on top. You'll probably find Jamboard down below somewhere, but if you're going to use it enough, I would just bring it right up to the top there. Press on Jamboard, and here are some of the ones that I have created. Let me show you a few samples. So here I have nouns, adjectives, adverbs. Now, I already started breaking them up. Probably you see them something like this when you share this with the students. So you share this page with the students, and then the students will go and they'll put these words in their respective places. Like so. Of course, you get the idea. Now I want to go look at other ones. I just go back here. And here I have one which I was using for writing. It's buying animals or getting animals from a shelter as opposed to getting animals from a breeder. And so maybe I want them to put these ideas in order in which they would use them in the essay. So for example, this is one idea. This seems to be related with this idea, so I'll put it there. I'll put that there. The students would be doing this, of course. You can change it around if you'd like. Then the students might decide to put these together. But anyway, that's just another way of doing it. I've even seen this used as like a brainstorming activity. So you can put big circles down. You could put pros, cons. And then the students themselves could make up these things. Or we could do like we did before, have the cards there that they can move around. Now, let me show you how to actually create a Jamboard yourself. Okay, so I'll go to this Jamboard Home. Now, if I want to make a new one, I press right on here. And now I've got my new Jamboard. Now I can change the name here just by pressing on that and changing like so. Now I have the new. Now, in the examples that I showed you, I was using sticky notes. Press sticky notes. I can change the color or no color at all. I like the yellow for now. Actually, let's go with orange. And then I can just write what I want. And then I can keep on doing it. And save. I don't want to make any more. I put it here. These can be moved. I can put titles up here just by pressing the text, and like that. Now I can change those around too. I just go to the select button. Where is it? Right there. And I can change that around also. So I can change where these are. We have made our Jamboard. I don't use Google Classroom or anything like that. I use Zoom or another app. So I have to share this document with the students. Usually I have the students working together in small groups. So I will share one document with the group. The way I do that is I go to share. Right now it says it's private just for me. I don't want that. There are a few ways I could do this. I could put the students' email addresses in here, or I can share it anyone with the link. And then as long as I give the students this link, they'll get for this paper. And I just go to copy link and I give it to them and done. Now, let's say I have several students in or several groups in the class and I want each group to have their own document. They make it very easy for me here to make copies. I just make a copy of the document. I usually name it by the group name or group number. And then I have for group 1. And I can continue for as many groups as I want. Now I can see whatever changes the group have made, so I can see how they put things together. All I do is I go to this one, group 2, and I have to make them all shareable the same way. So I have to make sure it's shareable to anybody with the link, as I did there. Copy the link and give it to group 2. The other good thing about this is because it's a Google product, just like everything else, Google Docs, Jamboard, any of the Google products, I don't have to save it. It saves it automatically as I'm doing things. So the same thing will happen with the students. The students will work on this, will do all kinds of things, and then when they're done, all they have to do is get out, and I will see how they had it.